What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here is the Mitsubishi with the Pepto-Bismol paint that we created. The freshly painted parts, the front and rear bumpers, the trunk is over there. So everything is looking good, ready to install. Got the bumper installed. I also installed the canards back into place. So this right here is already done. Of course, I need to get some new headlights. Those are really faded out, and this one shows a few cracks and stuff like that. And over here on this side, same. Look at that. It looks like it has like somebody shot at it with the BB or something. I don't know. Headlights. But yeah, things are looking pretty good. Alright, the bumper is now installed. The trunk already has the latch connected. Let me just open it real quick. Go. And I also ran the cable for the latch and the one for the license plate wires. They're already here. So I just need to put the little lamps right there. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and install the the tail light right here, the other one. Tail lights are on, and over here in the trunk I also installed the lights for the license plate, so those are on. There's a little bit of progress right there. The front bumper, the canards already installed, the headlights and the turn signals, those are already installed. Also on the back over here, I already installed the trunk, the tail lights, the rear bumper, underneath the little lights for the license plate, the tail light, and everything's looking pretty good. There's a quick little view right there. Alright, next up is this piece right here on the door. I brought some spray cans. Right now I'll show them to you. Just going to go ahead and sand it down real quick. This is it right here. It's Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance enamel. This is in gloss black. Alright, so here it is. Looking pretty good. I am going to paint this piece of plastic, that way it can match the door in the gloss black, but everything is looking pretty good. Right here you can see this is the piece of the door, so it makes that little bump right there, so I just left it like that. Same thing as over here, you know, just to, I guess, make it look a little cleaner. You're not going to be able to see this though, because this is where the piece of window weather strip goes. So there's that hole, so you can put the screw from behind. And well, anyways, I guess it is looking pretty clean though. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and take the car outside, that way I can get these mirrors on the inside, get the mirrors and some other pieces, that way I can paint them in gloss black. So yeah, let's continue. So here are some of the parts that I'm gonna paint with the gloss black rattle can, which is both mirrors, the license plate tray, and the wiper cowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wash them out with a little bit of water and sand these down just a little bit. They seem to be fine, but just gonna sand them down and get them ready for paint. Alright, I just finished sanding these parts. I also went ahead and put some tape on the actual mirror, that way I don't get it painted. License plate tray, the wiper cowl, and the other mirror over here. So I'm going to go ahead and get the spray can and just start spraying them. First tech coat, and then like one or two more heavier coats until it's all nice and glossy. Alright guys, so here's the parts. I'm gonna let these dry for a few hours, or at least a day before I go ahead and start touching them. But they did turn out pretty good, nice and glossy. 3 whole coats of Rust-Oleum black, gloss black, and this is pretty good. So for now, this is gonna be it up to right here. Progress on the car. The car is, you know, still sitting over here outside. Let me just sitting over there outside. Oh, that Jetta needs some paint work. Don't mind the Jetta. But the Mitsubishi is over there. She's looking pretty good. Progress is coming along just good, just great. And as soon as we get that hood installed, painted, all the rest of the you guys saw that I painted the doors with the black, the gloss black. So the mirrors are done, the trunk license plate, and the wheels, we'll get to the wheels later. Like I said, we'll paint them temporarily with the gloss black, but later on I do want to get my hands on something else. If you guys saw the picture of the community post with the 17-inch BBS wheels, they were from this Mini Cooper right here. Just zoom out a little bit. They're from this Mini Cooper. They have the same bolt pattern, the 4x100. Somebody got some inspiration, I guess, from viewing the GT's Performance channel or something, and they went ahead and painted them this red maroon color. So I mean, it looks decent, but they changed their mind and they want something like in, I guess, chrome. They're a fan of chrome. I'm not, but you know, like, this is their car, not mine. So they're gonna try to get some different wheels. I'm gonna try to get these wheels off of them and just paint them. I might paint them black, I might paint them silver, gunmetal. Speaking of gunmetal, I got some new parts. Well, this one is just a DA. Where is it? It's right there. It's a palm sander, pneumatic, dual action, and I'm gonna get some sanding discs. Better than these. These are the ones that came with it, but some better sanding discs, and I'll show you guys in a separate video on that one. And right here we have another box. Just zoom out just a little bit. There we go. So this is gonna be for another project, but check it out. Got some filters, mixing sticks, and got some paint. So this is, we got 2 gallons right here, 2 more quarts over here, and 2 more pints. So this is the hardener, super wet look. It's gonna be the reducer in medium. What do we got? Medium. Acrylic enamel, so that means that it's a single stage. And go ahead and take out one of these gallons. Oops. Here we go. We got some gunmetal gray, metallic. This is from Wholesale Auto Paints. I found these from eBay. There's a website right there, allcandies.com. If you guys want to order some paints from there, I'm gonna go ahead and open this can in my another video. Not right now, just to keep you guys guessing. But it is gunmetal gray, metallic. Both of them. Whoops. Both of them. Gunmetal gray, so 2 gallons of the same color, with 2 quarts of reducer and 2, what are these, pints? Yep, 2 pints of the hardener. Super wet look. So you guys leave some comments what you think I'm gonna spray with 2 gallons of gunmetal gray. But that is gonna be it for now. I'll let you guys in whenever I get some wheels, either these or something off of eBay or wherever, Craigslist or wherever I get some wheels. Because if it's not these 17, these are 17 by 7 with a positive 48 offset. On my car, you know, right now currently I'm running some 15 by 6, and I don't know the offset, but they're pretty high also. I'm running some 1-inch spacers on my car. I can remove them, and these wheels will just tuck in just a little bit or if I leave the spacers on, they'll be flush, like hella flush. So like these right here, if you see them, they tuck in just a little bit, but the car is a little bit lifted, not lifted, but it's like there's some gap in there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching.